India's coastal and ocean ecosystems are vital national assets. Protecting them is a shared responsibility. Plastic waste in coastal seas has emerged as a serious environmental challenge, affecting marine biodiversities, fisheries, and coastal communities. Under the Swachh Bharat Surakshita Sagar mission, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services (NGOs) conducted nationwide beach cleaning campaigns at selected locations along the Indian coast. Underwater cleanup exercises revealed another hidden threat: abandoned and lost fishing gear, known as coast nets, lying both on the ocean floor and along beaches, continuing to harm marine life. Recognizing the urgency, the director of INCOIS initiated a solution-driven approach, transforming marine waste into instrument of awareness and value. INCOIS partnered with Centurion University of Technology and Management to mobilize civil society organizations to creatively repurpose recovered ghost nets. Responding to the call, the NGOs Spandan converted discarded coast nets into handcrafted wall hangings and awareness artifacts. These creations not only prevent waste from returning to the ocean, they also generate livelihoods and spread public awareness about the dangers of coast nets and marine litter. Such community-led innovation deserve recognition, encouragement, and replication across coastal regions. INCOIS remains committed to advancing science-based solutions and public awareness to combat marine pollution and marine litter.